Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. We have a front window guys. Actually, you have only front windows on Fiat guys. 500 side windows, left and right door guys. And if the window guys doesn't want to go up, okay, it's wobbly, okay, goes left or right, and you need to always hold it when you move the window going up. We will explain guys what causes that and how to fix it. That's a very common guys problem, and we will show you what you need to replace and where to get the part from guys. We'll share the link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out. Quick introduction to the channel guys. Every single car we get at the shop, including guys this Fiat 500, will make more than 200 free repair videos, and specifically on Fiat 500 I think we will have close to 300 to 400 videos guys. Why we do all that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video guys, so we can keep providing these videos. Again, all the tools and parts that we use in our videos, they will be shared in the description of the video below. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So if you guys want to see how to remove the window, we have everything from start to finish. It's called a window replacement, okay, door window replacement on Fiat 500 guys. We'll demonstrate on the left door, the right door will be the same way. So if that window guys, okay, let's say you try to move it up, okay, and it just moves left or right and it falls off. This is simply because, okay, the regulator attaches to only one point of the window. Most of the cars front windows they attach, okay, it's a two-arm regulator, so it moves the left side of the window and the right side of the window up at the same time. This window has only one arm, and if guys that clip on the window is broken, this is the clip that actually makes the window go straight, okay, your window is going to be wobbly guys. So how you guys fix that? Okay, you need to get a new clip. That's a very guys common problem on those. Okay, you can see you have one clip in the middle. When you push that thing out, okay, that whole thing comes out, and without that thing, okay, your window will be super unstable. It goes in this canal, okay, right here on the inside, and when it gets there, okay, it doesn't let the window to go down, okay, or backwards, and as a result guys, the one arm regulator will be able to center the window and pull it up and down with no problem. So we fixed many Fiats like that guys. We had to replace that clip. We wanted to show you a quick video if you have that problem guys. If you have any questions about Fiat 500 or anything else, let us know. We'll try to make a video for your problem guys. We're still in the process of making videos, so we'll probably have close to 400 videos, as I said, on Fiat 500 guys. So hopefully you will find the information helpful. Again, if you want to see how to remove the window so you can inspect your part, we have the video on the channel, how to repair guys. This is our main channel. More electrical videos on Fiat 500 will be made on Electrical Car Repair Live, so please check it out. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.